Hypy and you're watching pair of Sneakerheads. And today I have a restoration video for you guys. A while ago I bought Jordan 3 Harbor Blue from 2006. And here they are. Super awesome. And you're never gonna believe what I paid for these. I just paid 15 euros. Seriously guys. So awesome. Well, I'm gonna give these guys a deep clean. I'm gonna put some new laces in them. Repaint the midsole. And maybe the elephant print. And just make an awesome video and on feet for you guys. Alright, so what is up guys? I just took the laces out of the right side, and now I'm gonna do the same on the other side. And yeah, I think I'm gonna throw these guys away because yeah, these are dead. Alright, those are gone, and as you guys can see, they need a deep clean. On the other side, that's doo-doo or something, I don't know, but it has to go. And they crack a lot, like here, so yeah, they definitely need a repaint. So let's do this. First, I took out the insole. Those are alright, but I'm gonna clean those. I just don't want to have the nasty ass stank of another person on my feet, so. So now I'm gonna repeat the same process on the other shoe. I used a glue remover, and it doesn't have a brand, it's just something we got somewhere. And it really helps with the outsoles. If they're yellowed or really dirty, they make them, yeah, lighter again and remove all the dirt. So now on to the insoles. They're super dirty, and I don't want someone's sweaty feet juices on my feet, so that's why I'm gonna clean them.
Ocean.
So what you guys need to do this custom? Paintbrushes, painter's tape, cotton balls or cotton rounds, flat white by Angelus, blue, and a little mixing jar. This is a pill remover. As you guys can see, there are a lot of pills inside. And here you have nail polish remover or acetone and GAC 200. That's plastic adhesive. So these are the shoes. After washing them, they came out super clean, and I dried them on the heater, and now they are all dry. The inside of the shoe is a bit pilly. I don't know how you call it. There are pills here, those black spots. I'm gonna remove them. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. So for this next step, you need a pill remover, or two razor blades, and a brush and a towel for the dust, to remove all the dust. So let's do this. So I'm gonna use these two, acetone and a cotton balls, to prepare the upper of the shoe for the first layer of Angelus paint. Now I'm gonna tape the whole shoe off. Here and all around with painter's tape, and then we're gonna start on the midsole. For this next step, you're gonna need a little water container, Angelus flat black, and some paint brushes. So guys, I painted the midsoles. They're super clean. I'm really happy with the result. And now I'm gonna paint the elephant print on the toe box. Let's do this. So now the elephant print is done. Came out really cool and nice. And now I'm gonna take off the tape. So guys, now I'm gonna paint the Jumpman on the back. I'm gonna make the same color as this one. I used Angelus blue and Angelus flat white, Angelus flat white, and this is it. And I'm gonna mix it all up and just see if it's the same as this Jumpman. I'm gonna remove this with acetone and cotton rounds. So I mixed it all up. It's about 1 drop of the blue and a bigger drop of the flat white. But yeah, you have to see it for yourself. Just mix it a little bit, and in the end you're gonna get this beautiful light sky blue whatever. And I already tried a little bit on the Jumpman, and as you see, it's just the same. It's awesome. Here, when it dries up, it's just the same, because this part you can see that it's repainted. So dope. As you guys can see, the back part of the shoe is really yellow, and that's why we have Soul Bright. I'm gonna try to make these back tabs a little wider again, because yeah, I like this old school style, but I want to get them as crispy as possible. So I'm gonna try to get this really white. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna paint them, but we'll see. For this part you need Soul Bright. So this part is done. Now I'm gonna do the other side as well. So now I used kitchen foil to cover it, and it has to stay on there for about a day or something. It's not really sunny here in Holland, but I'm gonna try to lay them in the sun whenever I can, and if needed I'll put an extra layer on it. But yeah, let's see what it does.
Ja, daar gaat hij. Oh. Ja, oh, daar gaat hij. Oh.
Yo, chatz, you killed this track.
Purchase your tracks today.
As you guys can see, the Soul Bright didn't work. It's winter time in Holland, and that's why it's still yellow. Magnum thought it was a good idea to paint the back tab crispy white, because he was like, yeah, this is the only part that's yellow, so you need to make it white. So yeah, okay, that's why I did it like this. I used GAC 200. This is specially for plastic surfaces, flat white. And I mixed it all up in this little container. I'm gonna do that side too, and then paint the Jumpman and air the blue with the blue mixture I made. So I'm gonna use acetone to clean this back tab.
Lately I've been feeling motivated, always on time like it's on.
So I made a color that resembles the blue color of the tongue, and now I'm gonna paint this Jumpman blue.
I got no time for that.
It's me. What up? LiLL HYPY.
Chatz on the beat.